the biggest school in the district of Bustos. When it comes to facilities, we are not sufficient because our Gabaldon is under our renovation, looking or waiting for the funds. When it comes to resources, it is, I would say na sufficient naman. Nagkakaroon ng supplies ng teacher, all bills are being paid, and then yung ibang pangangailangan ay natutugon na naman. Ano yung isa na? We have resources, we have facilities. Ayun ang sinabi ko. As of today, we are there insufficient kasi meron tayong shifting ng grade 5 at grade 6.
Next question po. What are the most pressing shortages your school is currently facing? Kunwari po, classroom, chairs?
Classroom. That
Chairs
is,
po.
sa chairs, hindi. Kasi sugon yun eh. Pagka walang classroom, walang chairs, di ba? Classroom facilities, ang kulang.
Lahat naman, hindi man po sira-sira yung mga kuha dito.
Hindi naman, okay naman. Kumbaga, functionable. So, ang ano ko, concern ko is classroom because yung sa Gabaldon, yung nandito sa harap, anim yan, hindi siya pwedeng hindi siya pwedeng i-occupy kasi siya dilapidated, baka maka-discrash siya.
Have these issues been persistent for years or have they worsened recently po?
Siguro, previously na i-report na ng mga different school head. But due to availability of funds, we need to wait. But DepEd assure us that this year, the rehabilitation of Gabaldon will be possible.
Okay. How many students are typically accommodated per classroom? Is overcrowding a significant factor?
The number of size is very ideal. So from grade 1 to grade 3, only 37.
37. Ilan?
For
Ilan
grade 1, 30
maximum?
to 37. Minimum of 30, maximum of 37. But in grade 4, we have minimum of 40 and maximum of 47.